Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this bottle of Natrol Vitamin B12. So these are fast dissolve 100 tablets. That's what the supplement facts looks like. Cool, I take one of these every day. Here we go, it has a seal up top. I'll drop a link in the video description on where you can get this from if you're interested. So when it's brand new, it has that first seal, then it has the second seal here, which is great. Take that off, and then there's always this cotton that I always take out. Boom, and then this is what it looks like. Small pill, then I take one daily like this. Yeah, let me know what you guys think of this in the comment section below. Hope you're all doing well, and I'll catch you all for the next unboxing video. Later.